Most developer thinks blockchain means Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solidity smart contract. But did you know company actually build private blockchain for banking, healthcare, logistics, gaming, enterprise system? And the interesting part is that you can build your own private blockchain using JavaScript. So in this video, I'll show you how private blockchain work, what architecture behind it, and what technology JavaScript developers should learn to build private blockchain from scratch. So what I have done, I have divided this entire video in 6 parts so we can analyze and go deeper about the technology, about the requirement, about the industry, and based on that, we're going to build your career roadmap. So in the first section, we have what is private blockchain. We have to know about this before we do the comparison and understand about the technology. So let's try to understand the basics of private blockchain. So a private blockchain is a blockchain network where access is controlled, like how you're going to perform the transaction, the validation, every single thing is controlled. Unlike a public blockchain like Ethereum, where anyone can join and validate the transaction. But in the private blockchain, only approved node can participate and do the validation and allow to perform the execution. So this makes private blockchain faster, cheaper, and more suitable for businesses because you are developing that particular network for a specific business, health, supply chain, gaming. For example, hospitals want secure data sharing platform. A bank may want internal transaction verification. A logistic company may want shipment tracking between trusted partners. So that's the complete basics we have for the private blockchain, and you have understood that where we can utilize it, how we can utilize it, and in which industry we want this private blockchain. So now let's come back to the second point about the private blockchain architecture, because you have understood the need of the private blockchain, but you have to understand the architecture which is going to be implemented for building the infrastructure for different organization, because each organization we have its own logic. A private blockchain is just a block connected together. It includes multiple systems working together. First, we have a block store and contain important information like timestamp, hash, previous block, references, and transaction data. Then comes the transaction. Whenever user send data asset, a transaction get created. Before entering that in the blockchain, transactions are verified, and this verification can be done through the verifier node because it's a private blockchain. The infrastructure is getting control. So next comes the hashing. Like hashing ensure block data cannot be modified. And we have common algorithm like hash 256 we have a KK which allows to use the algorithm to hash the data. Even a tiny change in the data create a complete different hash, which means someone temper that particular transaction which can able to monitor, because every single block will carry out the information about the previous block. So one temper in the data can change the entire hash. So that's how we can pick that this particular block, this particular transaction got tempered. Then we have wallet and digital signature. Wallet generate public and private key, and these keys are used to sign the transaction. So this is the complete architecture we have in the private blockchain. Now let's come back to the third stage, technology JavaScript developers need. If you are a JavaScript developer, then here is the good news for you. You can build most blockchain system without leaving the JavaScript framework. Here is the technical stack which you can use to build your own private blockchain. Like we have Node.js, which is a JavaScript ecosystem which we can use to build a backend service. We have the JavaScript classes for creating blocks, wallet, transaction system. We have a crypto libraries for hashing and generating the signature. If you talk about the Express, we can use it to create the API endpoint for the backend server. We have WebSocket, we have peer-to-peer network for node communication. If you talk about the Solidity, we have used the Solidity smart contract which we can use to deploy on the network. And from the front end, we have Next.js, which is entirely written on JavaScript. So you can know JavaScript and you can build your entire front end. So these are the only technology which you have to know if you are coming from a JavaScript framework, because once you have an understanding of JavaScript, you can build the entire infrastructure, entire private blockchain for any industry using these technology. These are the main technology you're going to use extensively when you will work on the infrastructure architecture for a private blockchain.